In this demo, I'll show you how to find your public address in your SheFi wallet. Let's dive in. First, you'll open the TestFlight app to open your SheFi wallet. When your SheFi wallet is open, you'll select the Wallet tab. Then you'll select the Receive button, and this will open up your wallet address. You will select Copy Address to copy your address. You can also find it by selecting the settings icon in the top right, then selecting Wallet Address, and then clicking the Copy Address button again. Once your address is copied, you can send it to others or paste it somewhere like Apple Notes so you have it easily accessible. I'm going to show you how to send it to somebody else. It's copied, I open my text messages, I open a chat with myself, and I send the address there by pasting it. And that is how you easily find your public address in your SheFi wallet and copy to share it with somebody else. Be sure to follow us here on YouTube and on the SheFi socials to learn more about wallets and how to navigate Web3.